Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures, and today I am sharing one of my husband's family recipe. This is called potato bake, although I've always heard my mother-in-law call it parsleyed potatoes. So you can cook it in the microwave or the oven. It takes 8 or 9 minutes in the microwave and an hour in the oven. So I've always seen them do the microwave. So you're going to need 3 cups of potatoes sliced. Just wash them, keep the peel on, and use a mandolin or a knife. And basically it's 3 medium potatoes. You really can't mess this recipe up, so you can easily double it or triple it. So an 8 by 8 baking dish for the 3 cups of potatoes. So here my father-in-law is slicing the first one. And in that oven or microwave safe dish, you're going to melt 1/4 a cup of butter. So we just popped it in the microwave to melt it. And then you'll add salt and pepper. It is 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then mix it in with that butter. Then take your potatoes. You don't have to arrange them any certain way. You just want to get them in there and then mix it up so the butter and the salt and the pepper get on everything. And once it's mixed up, cover it with Saran Wrap, stick it in the microwave, and cook it for 2 minutes. And then pull it out and stir it up. Stick it back in for another 2 minutes. Pull it out and stir it up. Another 2 minutes. Pull it out and stir it up. And then another 2 minutes. Pull it out, stir it. So between 7 to 9 minutes. So for this batch, we did 8 minutes. So 4 times in and out, it was perfect. And then the last 2 ingredients are 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of parsley, dried or fresh, whatever you have. And stir it up. And if you want to add a little more Parmesan cheese on top, you can. But I really enjoy sharing our family recipes. If you're out somewhere or at someone's house and you'd like to share it, you don't have your recipe book, I could just pull up a video. So it's nice for my family to have wherever, but also to share with you. So thanks for watching, everyone.